Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing an earnings report on AutoDesk. We're going to analyze an option trading strategy. We've been doing it with Walmart, Target, Disney, and we're sharing you the results because next earnings season, we want to get into this game. We want to get into the option game and kill it. We want to make profits on a regular basis. We have our gap trading and short selling strategies. Now we're going to add this options trading strategy as long as it brings fruit. That's why we're paper trading. We're taking down notes. We're analyzing, right, to see how actually profitable this strategy is. You see ads everywhere about this strategy. I'm here to bring you the truth. Is it profitable? Is it not? And which company works, which company this strategy works for the best. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any feedback, I like to chat with you guys in the comments there. I absolutely appreciate it. Thank you very much. So now let's jump into the chart. So what are we doing? How are we analyzing and picking our company? So while we just go on Google and we just search earnings report on the November 23rd, because I want to give you guys some time to look into this yourself. Maybe you want to participate, maybe you don't. That's your call, and for you to follow along, because maybe you want to see and pick your own options and do the same thing I'm doing with my spreadsheet. So we have on the docket here AutoDesk, ADSK, on a daily chart. What do we have here? What can we identify that's a trend? Every time there's an earnings, most likely there's going to be a sell-off. Out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it sold off 4. So 80% of the time it sells off. So we're most likely going to see a downwards move, but we don't care because we buy a call and a put. That's what we're doing. How much is it going to move? Probably around $20 to $40. So maybe $25 move is what we can look for. Last time it was up in this range at around $330, $350. It dipped well over $60 lower. So there's potentially, that's why I'm excited to do this one, because I think there's a lot of upside. This might be one of the keepers that we keep on the roster for next earnings season and just keep going with it over and over again. We'll see. We'll find out after we're done doing this series. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this to our Excel sheet. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. And this is it, right? We're going to do the 320 call for $21.60, and we're going to do the 330 put for $23.95. Now there's going to be the weekend. It's going to lose value. I don't care. I want to see if this is going to work. So I'd rather be conservative. So, take some money off of it, fine. If this really works, we're going to make money and regardless, right? And if it doesn't, then it doesn't. And we're not going to do this strategy, and we're going to learn together on what to do and what not to do in the markets. We know, gap filling and short selling, that fundamental, that strategy, we laid it out. It's on, I'm documenting it on a regular basis. Check those videos out. If you follow it, you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is, a little more than what we expect, what we've been trading. This is a $4,600 ish investment. So it's a little higher, but it's a $350 stock. So, for $5,000, you get to play, within that volatility of a $300 stock. Pretty good. So let's see what happens, right? We're going to hold this. So let's just flip it back here for a second. We're going to hold this for roughly, if we take a look, it took me 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 days. 9 days here. 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So we're gonna do about 5 days a week. So probably on Friday, right? Because we're gonna get in here on. We're going to get into this on Tuesday, on Monday, and then we'll see our results for Friday. That's the plan. So let's go back to the spreadsheet, because I also want to talk about Walmart, Disney, and Target. Those are we bought a call and a put on those prior to earnings. We want to take a look at how that's doing. So if we take a look here, Target, no bueno, we're down $300 on Target. You know, if you take a look, it just, this gap down just sucked the premium right out of this 260 call. Like it was down $8 and the call was only up like $4, which is a ton of BS. So I'm still holding it because I want to see, I think there's more downside potential. I want to see another $5, $10 move. Then maybe we'll be in profits. Like, this is paper money, so I don't care. I want to experiment with this. Maybe it's not good to hold it that long. We're going to figure that out together. We're going to learn from it. Then we're going to do a whole, self-analysis after. We're going to document the pros and cons, and how to improve for next earnings season. Walmart down $45. Not bad. I'm okay with that. But Walmart, we know that through our analysis, through seeing past behavior, 1 month, 20 days minimum of holding time. So we've gone through a week. We got 3 more weeks to go, about mid-December, to get that $10, $15 move we're looking for to maybe get some profits. Disney, we killed it. See, this Disney, the options on Disney. We got the December 10th, and I guess it moved hard and fast on the first day, and it got a nice move of 10% in one day, and I think that's what made this a good profitable trade. Walmart and Target, they didn't move. I don't think they moved as much as Disney did in one day, and I think that's why we killed. That was a 25% ROI. So I'm really expecting this for AutoDesk. I'm looking for a 25 to $30 move, which should probably bring this up to. So, this is a $20. So we're looking at an increase of $12 here. And that means this will probably lose, $7. So we'll see. It'll probably come down to about $7 on this side and then 34 on this side. So if we do that, 7 and then 35. Yeah, that's not enough, right? That's not going to be a good trade. So, but we'll see. What this has to be, 12? Exactly. So this has to be 12, or this has to come up to 40, right? So we're looking for probably more like a $30 move is maybe what we're looking for here. So if we put 40, so that that makes a little bit more sense. Maybe this comes down a little bit to like 9, something like that. So hopefully we can make roughly 7 to 10% on this trade in about 5 days. We'll find out. So if you like this content, if you want to learn how to do this strategy and follow along, please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I definitely appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow.